Your tank works hard. Rainwater brings more than just water, rodent and bird droppings, grime and other contaminants. The cistern and catchment bomb water tank cleaner and treatment helps clean tanks naturally. No bleach, not toxic chemicals, eco-friendly. Just 1 scoop per 1,000 gallons neutralizes contaminants, plus odors and stains. In 1 hour you're ready to go. Safe for tanks, liners, and pipes. Our solutions HOCl products are backed by research and over 55 scientific studies. Once we have our EPA certification, we will post on our website. Backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. With Solutions HOCl, clean tanks naturally. Visit solutionshocl.com.